What the Sam hell's going on? Oh,
what's up, guys? So I'm out here at a creek spot. If you guys could see the creek through the trees here, there's a few other access points like back here, and there's a little pool back there, but it's not connected. Usually it's kind of connected. It's a little low. And I just brought 2 rods with me. For now, I'm just going to take, well, no, I've got more rods in the back here. I guess I do have my catfish rods, but I'm just going to take this spinning rod here, and I'm going to tie a jig head onto it. Whoop. Doing this one-handed. Oh, I got to restring it. Not restring it, but at least pull my line up. I've got some night crawlers. I'm going to tie on a jig head, and I'm going to walk down there and see if I can catch something. I kind of scouted it a little bit. In the pool over here, I could see 2 gar that were probably like 15 inches, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get down to access them. The bank is super duper steep, and I don't think I'm going to be able to get down there. I'm not really wearing the proper attire, but we're going to get this strung up, and we're going to get the night crawler thrown on, and let's get to fishing. So stay tuned, guys. All right, rod's rigged up. Got a jig head with a piece of worm on it. Got my worms in my backpack. I'm just gonna take this with me for now. A lot of times when I come out to do this, I wander around and I'm carrying like 4 rods and it gets annoying, and this is good enough for right here. I do have my catfish rod, so I might throw out something for catfish. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to walk around down here. It rained this morning, and it was really supposed to rain all day according to the forecast, but it's about, probably 1 in the afternoon now. Like 75 degrees, and yeah, I don't know how close I'm going to be able to get. Crap ass. 75 degrees, and it doesn't look like it's going to rain, so decided to head out, do some fishing, and it's pretty solid right here. So, 1/4 ounce jig head. Ooh, I just saw something waking right there. Ooh, what is going on? All right. Need to give her a good huck. My line's kind of stuck together, I feel like. There we go. All right. Current's not too strong. It should be flowing that direction. It looks like there's activity here. I'm in kind of a back swirl, that's what it seems like. Out there, it looks like it's going that way. There's kind of a, try not to get too close and fall, there's kind of a blockage right here, so there's a little bit of a, I don't know, back current, and normally this is flowing right here, so usually there's fish hanging out here in my past experiences, but without it flowing, I don't know. I cast my worm off about half of it because I'm an idiot. I always do that. And it looks like I might be able to walk up here. Let's see if I can make it across. Normally you can't make it across there, but it looks like it might be a bit sloppy. We'll see if I can get over there, cast in behind that structure. That might be beneficial. This looks like it's going to be sloppy. It's going to be like one wrong step and I'm going in. Up here should be harder. Yeah. Hey, this ain't bad. Oop. It's a little softer up here than you would expect. Oops, sloppy. This looks pretty dry though. This doesn't look too bad at all. Ooh, it's a little sloppy. I gotta be careful where I'm stepping here. This is about as far as I'm gonna walk for right now. But I'll cast this right behind here. Try not to snag it immediately. Oh, something jumped way out in the middle there. What?
what the Sam hell's going on? Oh, that's gonna get snagged. Oh, nope, I got it out. Okay, everything's fine. All right, let's pick up our stuff and go back the other way.
All right, guys, we made it to spot 2. I didn't have any luck at the first spot, so I came back to this one, and I was just here a couple days ago and I managed to catch those couple little catfish from over in this corner here. So I came back over here to see if maybe that one that got away, I could hook him again. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get to fishing. All right, so just a tiny jig head on here again with a piece of worm. They were both sitting right over here last time, so we'll see if we can get them. See if maybe there's something over here that'll hit again. Last time I was out here was early, so there we go. Got something. Bluegill. It's like something tried to eat him. Like a bird or a turtle got a hold of the top of him right there. It's kind of got an indentation on both sides. Oop. And there he goes. Oh, come on. Bunch of tiny gills. Get one. There we go, got something. That's decent. Catfish. Well, he's hooked pretty good. Not a bad one. He's got little bumps on him, so he's got, and you can see in his tail, he's got, yeah, they're all over his bottom too. So he's got parasites, but put him back in the water, see if we can hook into another one. He was way underneath the bridge there. Just let him go. There we go. Come on. There we go. What is that? Crappie. It's not a terrible sized one. Hook out of his mouth. He's got kind of like a growth on his face. Get him out of here. Still have most of my worm left. There we go. What's that? Another crappie. And professional release. Surprised I'm catching crappie, honestly. There we go. What's that? Ah, another green sunfish. Tiny little green sunfish. Cool colors on them. Another crappie. That's the third one. Still think that's crazy. Never seen that many of them. Never caught that many of them in one shot here. And he took my worm. Just been putting the whole worm on. Might as well use all of them, huh? Not a bad size gill. Not a bad size at all. Try to get it all in his mouth. Yeah, I think that's it. Get out of here. Caught a few. Nothing crazy. It's good to know that they're all crappie are in there. Be free. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. It's hot. I don't even know what the temperature was. It say 81. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's pretty humid out since it's rained this morning. Didn't really catch a ton. We caught a few green sunfish, a few bluegill, a few crappie, and one little catfish. So we managed to have a good day. I caught a couple good hits down there, but I didn't hook into them. I mean, I was using such a tiny little jig head again. The creek spot didn't work out for us today. It's actually pretty busy here. There were some people fishing the bridge next to me, and they managed to catch a turtle, and they were catching some bluegills and stuff. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think we're gonna get out and do some camping again here real soon, so stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.